So you guys, you probably come quite often to mind and its potential. You may have done a bit of mindfulness, so you probably think, yeah, I'm really in the moment. I probably don't even need to listen to this talk. So we're going to have a little test, okay? So get ready to try and work this out. You need to act as Sherlock Holmes and work out who killed Lord Smythe. Are you ready? Mindfulness.
Clearly, somebody in this room murdered Lord Smythe, who, at precisely 3:34 this afternoon, was brutally bludgeoned to death with a blunt instrument. I want each of you to tell me your whereabouts at precisely the time that this dastardly deed took place.
I was polishing the brass in the master bedroom.
I was buttering his lordship's scones below stairs, sir.
Why, I was planting my petunias in the potting shed.
Constable, arrest Lady Smythe.
But how did you know?
Madam, as any horticulturist will tell you, one does not plant petunias until May is out. Take her away.
That's right, madam.
It's just a matter of observation. The real question is, how observant were you?
Action.
Clearly, somebody in this room murdered Lord Smythe, who, at precisely 3:34 this afternoon, was brutally bludgeoned to death with a blunt instrument. I want each of you to tell me your whereabouts at precisely the time that this dastardly deed took place.
I was polishing the brass in the master bedroom.
I was buttering his lordship's scones below stairs, sir.
Why, I was planting my petunias in the potting shed.
Constable, arrest Lady Smythe.
It's easy to miss something when you're not looking out for it. And that's an example of a state of mind that we go into. Our minds can really easily filter out a lot of information and just focus on one thing. And there's lots of other little video clips you can find on YouTube and things like that, where you're focusing on one thing so much that you can miss lots and lots of changes. Now, that was amazing. I mean, also, did you see the number of different things that got replaced? And yet, how many people noticed one change? How many people noticed two changes? Okay, so a few of you, yes, a few, yeah. But only a few noticed two, and there were 21 changes, so that's incredible. Now, what we're saying with mindfulness is that if you go around your everyday life very much focused, goal-oriented in this doing state of mind, you can actually miss out on a lot. And if you get into that too much, you can miss out on things completely. Mindfulness is about noticing this doing or goal-orientated state of mind, but also learning to switch into this more being state of mind, stepping back and looking at things and being more aware and mindful of what's going on. By doing that, you notice more and you actually have more choice. Yeah? If you've got negative thoughts arising in your mind, but you're not mindful, they could be just underneath the level of consciousness and having an effect on your emotions and what you're doing, but you're just not aware or awake to them. So by practicing mindful exercises, you can notice them all, and then learn to take a step back from them rather than taking them to be reality. So mindfulness is actually just about giving you more choice and more flexibility in your awareness.